and ensures protection of civilians, stops loss of life, destruction of property, and critical infrastructure, and enables the people of Sudan to access public services. Secondly, the structured commencement over 3 pathways towards conflict resolution and the restoration of the voice and aspirations of the people of Sudan for a democratic transition. And I recommend as follows. Track 1, establishment of safe humanitarian corridors. 2, mediation between the leadership of SAF and RSF so that we can stop the war. And number 3, commencing all-inclusive dialogue aimed at restoring Sudan to democratic governance. I believe this approach reinforces the search for peace and will allow progress that lays a firm foundation for a peaceful and stable Sudan. I appreciate efforts made by the IGAD heads of state and government, both collectively and individually, as well as our partners, notably the United States and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, for standing in solidarity with the people of Sudan during this crisis. We cannot fail in this endeavor. I therefore look forward to our engagement, providing a roadmap towards a lasting and sustainable peace in Sudan. On 12th of June 2023, the IGAD Assembly of Heads of State and Government, having considered the situation in Sudan, established a high-level IGAD mechanism of 4, the Quartet, to engage in an effort to resolve the situation in Sudan.